Previously, I showed you how to create your own smart lock using electric strike. You've probably seen electric strikes before, but you probably don't really care about it. Most of the time they're in warehouses, big buildings, businesses, really. Personally, I like them in residential as well because these are hardwired, meaning there's absolutely no batteries to replace whatsoever. Part 2 of the video, I show you how to automate it so that way you can use your phone to unlock or RFID tags as needed. For some people though, they rather use pin pad or fobs. That way, if they lost their phone, they can still use the backup, which is entering their pin. That's actually how my mother prefers to unlock my door, by the way. Here's the old keypad. All she has to do is enter a 4-digit pin and then it automatically unlocks. These keypads are extremely vulnerable, very easy to hack, very easy to unlock the door because this whole thing is the brain. And if you pop it open, you can just short circuit something to unlock the door. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install this Visionis keypad with a mini controller. Ideally, you want to install this controller far away from the door and not easily accessible. And there's absolutely no way to hack this keypad to unlock anything. Inside the package that I got, this is all you get. You got your keypad. You only need 4 wires. Here's the mini controller. If you're not using the mini controller, then obviously you'll need 6 wires from the keypad. Here's a programming card. It's RFID. Some mounting screws, and a remote to program this mini controller. To mount the keypad is really easy. All you have to do is install this plate onto the wall or the door frame and then pop this into the plates and then secure it down with a small screw. Here's a picture of my old electric strike. It is still working perfectly fine even after 10 plus years. This thing is rock solid, okay? This is a wiring diagram for fail-safe. My electric strike is wired as fail-safe, so if there's no power, then the door automatically opens up. The reader requires 4 wires going into the controller. It goes into the D1, D0, ground, and plus DC, which is 12 volt. So I'm using a 12 volt DC power supply. It feeds into the positive DC, and the negative goes to ground. If you're using an electric strike like me, I highly recommend you use the included diode. This is where I place my diode directly next to the electric strike. Not at this pin, but right here, this location, before it goes into the mini controller. Also have an exit button, and if you do, this is how you would wire it as well. One goes to the open, and the other one goes into the COM. Oh yeah, if you're still using the Shelly one just like me, the 2 pins will be going into the open and the COM as well. Now that you've done all of the hardware side, including wiring it up, let's take a look at the programming side of it. The first thing you'll want to do is change the master code of the keypad immediately. So go ahead and on the keypad, press star 999999 pound 0. Enter a 6-digit code that you'll want to use. Anything can be used. It cannot be something as stupid and dumb as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you're content with your new code, go ahead and enter pound. Re-enter that 6-digit code again, and then press pound. Once you're done changing the master code for the keypad, go ahead and go to your mini controller and update the master code for that mini controller. They are totally different and unrelated at this moment. So that's why you have to change the master code for the mini controller as well. On the mini controller, there's absolutely no buttons for you to press. So that's why you have to use the included remote controller. On the remote, go ahead and press star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pound. Press 0. Enter in your new 6-digit pin code. Pound. Repeat those 6-digit pin again. Pound. And then press star to exit the program. Now, to get your keypad talking to your mini controller properly, go ahead and go to your keypad and press pound, the new master code, pound, 310, pound, star star. Interestingly, this Wiegand command mode did not work for my keypads. I had to email tech support. Gabriel from the company was very helpful. He showed me how to do it. He told me go ahead and use this MasterCard that's already included with the package. Scan it in at the keypad. The light should turn green. Then press 5226 pound. And then swipe the MasterCard once more. That's it. Now your keypad is working properly with the mini controller. Whatever you do, don't lose this MasterCard. It's extremely helpful. Instead of entering your 6-digit pins every time, you can just use this card and swipe it, and then you'll be in programming mode instantly. Swipe it again to exit programming mode. Now, in order to add a pin, all you have to do is swipe this card in front of the keypad, enter a 4-digit pin or even up to 6-digit pin, press pound, and then swipe this card again. Done. If you want to verify those 6-digit pin, go ahead and wait for the door to be locked, enter in your 6-digit pin, and then hit pound when you're done. It should release the electric strike for you to open. To add a fob, it's really easy. All you have to do is swipe the card, and then swipe the fob, and then swipe the card again. Done. Now go ahead and swipe the fob, and then you can see that the electric strike is now open. Pretty cool, right? So this is what my keypad looks like once it's all set and done. I can unlock it using my phone, my pin, my fob, and that's basically it. You'll never have to worry about battery life ever again because everything has been hardwired. Alright, hopefully this video helps you with securing your house. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.